Hello everyone, this is Jack Chen in Hong Kong, China. Welcome to my Art Maker channel in YouTube. Today I want to go to share with you how to make a gold bracelet. Gold is very important for us. If we have a goal, then we know where we want to go. If we don't have goal, then we don't know where we want to go. So, goal is very important for a person. For example, if there is a ship and the ship just start the engine and go out for the harbor, but the captain have no idea where he want to go. That means the captain have no goal and just start the engine and the ship will drive around and never reach a goal. So this will be a failure travel. So today I want to go to share with you how to make this gold bracelet. So my dear friend, today I want to share with you the first rule of success. We call it GOAL, G-O-A-L. Now today I want to make and show you a guide how to make it by yourself. This is the jade, Kunlun jade in China, Xinjiang. And this GOAL is silver. There's a hole here. Why I want to share with you this gold bracelet? Because gold is so important for us. Here I share with you one of my story. Today is 2022. 10 years ago, I was quit my job as a designer. And I come back to my hometown and bought some equipment. What kind of equipment? Printer. I want to open my first printing shop. At the beginning, the first year, I get some order from the internet, Taobao. And after a few months, there's a Chinese New Year. During the Chinese New Year holiday, I come to visit one of my uncle who is a successful instruction businessman. They are building instruction. They are making the building. So we can say he is a successful people. And during the visiting, my uncle asked me, Jack, you do your own business, printing business. How much money you earn this year? Oh, how can I answer? Because I just, at the beginning, as you know, at the beginnings, nobody can earn a lot of money. And my answer is, for the annual turnover, only 10,000. My uncle laughed, ha ha, only 10,000. The annual turnover. How can you earn the money? I was not shy, but I know for me, I should have a goal for the next year. So I made a decision in my heart for myself, and I set a goal that in the next year, because the Chinese New Year, we always make a plan on our Chinese New Year. I set my goal. I want to make 100,000 turnover for the next year. Because I have a goal, so I'm working very hard for this goal. I wake up earlier at 6 o'clock in the morning and do morning exercise every day in order to have enough of energy, and working hard till at night. So, how do you think can I reach the goal as I wish? The next year I have finished 10,000. No, 100,000 annual overturn for the next year. And also the Chinese New Year coming. I should make another goal for the next year. And I made another decision. I set my goal on 1 million. So I also keep hard working and do everything I can do. Though there is a hard work, but you still can see smiling on my face, because I know where's my goal? What is my goal? Every day after I hard working, that means I have one step to close my goal. So, how do you think? Can I finish the 1 billion? Annual turnover? Sure, I finish. So you see, my friend, goal is so important for a person. If you want to be success, there has no doubt, first, find your goal. for me is a good example for you. I believe I can finish my goal. I can reach my goal. You also can. That's why I want to share with you my story today. And I also want to share with you how to make this GOAL bracelet. So my friend, find your goal and just for do it. You can do it. You can be a successful people. You need a GOAL bracelet.